All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
An Indian shipyard is diversifying its offering. Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers, GRSE, has signed a $54 million agreement with Germany's Carsten Rieder Schiffsmakler for the construction of 4 120 meters long, 7,500 DWT multipurpose vessels with an option of building another 4 ships. The yard, which is under the administrative control of the Ministry of Defense, is best known for its defense shipbuilding as well as some offshore vessels. Many Indian shipyards are upping their game when it comes to commercial shipbuilding. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi has laid out plans for the country to become a top 5 shipbuilding and repair nation within a decade. India is currently outside the top 10 shipbuilding nations globally with a market share of less than 1%. Another news comes from Russia that Indian shipyards to build 24 cargo ships for Russia by 2027. According to Dmitry Dubovik, director of the Caspian International North-South Integration Club, the first 4 ships are due to be launched in 2024. The Goa shipyards in India will build 24 cargo ships for operation in the Caspian Sea with the participation of the Russian Export Center by 2027. Dmitry Dubovik, director of the Caspian International Integration Club, North-South, made this announcement at the International Forum in Astrakhan. Dubovik said that it was decided to open production in India at the Goa shipyards. They have confirmed their readiness to start production of our ship models. There are 3 of them: chemical carriers, bulk carriers, container ships. They are ready to give us 24 ships in 3 years. That is a very fast pace today. First 4 ships are scheduled to be completed in the first quarter of 2024. The cargo ships will be deployed in the Caspian Sea. As Dubovik explained in an interview with the media, their construction will be carried out with the participation of the Russian Export Center, and the project is planned to be implemented by 2027. The advantages of cooperation with India include a price that will be twice that of Russian manufacturers, as well as business rates of 2-3% instead of the 18.6% currently offered by the State Transport Leasing Company, STLC. STLC emphasizes that it primarily supports shipbuilding through state programs and investment projects, providing favorable financing terms. The press service of STLC said, due to the current macroeconomic situation, the market leasing rates exceed the level of the key rate of the Central Bank of Russia by several percentage points. At the same time, STLC finances the construction of vessels, including cargo ships, mainly within the framework of state programs and investment projects at preferential rates, which are significantly lower than the market rates. The North-South International Forum will be held in Astrakhan on 25 to 26 October. The event will bring together more than 150 companies from Iran, Pakistan, Oman, UAE, India, Azerbaijan, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Belarus and other countries. The forum is held with the support of the government of the Astrakhan region, the state corporation, Rusiran Expo, the Caspian International Integration Club, North-South. The event will bring together representatives of the countries located along the route of the International Transport Corridor, export-import companies, equipment and food manufacturers, other logistics companies and all those interested in increasing sales.